Hello travelers, welcome to another weekly travel tip. Smart planning sets the tone for successful travel trip. A bit of preparation can make your journey smoother, safer and more enjoyable. 1. Research your destinations thoroughly. Use directories like travel.org to find hotels, airline and local resources. 2. Check travel advisories before you go. Review up-to-date safety and security information for your local destination. 3. Leave a copy of your itinerary and document for someone you trust back home. 4. Notify your bank or credit card companies so they don't flag your transaction overseas as suspicious or block your card. 5. Get travel insurance. It's essential, especially for medical emergencies, trip cancellation and lost baggage. Travel smarter with travel.org, your partner in making every journey smooth and informed. Follow us on all social media platforms at Travelism.